Kitty, what on earth are you doing? Oh no! What's going on here? Phew! That was close.
Just wanted to cook.
I get that, but not with these old-fashioned methods. That can be dangerous. Instead, we should use clean cooking methods that can save lives.
Really?
Absolutely. That's why we need to learn about clean cooking by answering a cleansing question. How can clean cooking save lives? Zoom in. Long ago, early humans survived by hunting and eating raw food that was difficult to chew and digest. But everything changed when they discovered cooking using fire. This made food easier to chew and digest, which was crucial in the evolution of humans into an intelligent and adaptable species. Then, as civilization advanced, traditional cooking methods like open fires and basic stoves, burning wood, coal, or animal dung evolved. But who would have thought years later that these same methods that once ensured our survival would pose significant health and environmental risks? Yes, when we use traditional methods of cooking, it fills our homes with harmful smoke and pollutants, including carbon monoxide and particulate matter, which can cause respiratory issues and other serious health problems. And what's even more shocking is that, according to the WHO, an estimated 3.2 million people lost their lives in 2020 alone due to these causes, including over 237,000 children under the age of 5. But the problem doesn't end there. Old cooking methods are harmful not just to people, but also to the environment, as relying on biomass like wood contributes to deforestation. This leads to soil erosion, loss of biodiversity, and an increase in greenhouse gas emissions that cause global warming. Shocking, right? So, what's the solution to this smoky issue? Well, the best option is to promote clean cooking. Using modern technologies like electric stoves, induction cookers, and clean burning gas stoves that produce minimal emissions. Additionally, solar cookers and biogas systems also offer renewable, eco-friendly options that protect both our health and the environment. And let's not forget, for many people around the world, cooking with traditional methods isn't just harmful, it's also expensive and time-consuming. This is especially true for those who spend hours gathering fuel, which mostly includes girls and women. So by adopting clean cooking technologies, we empower communities, particularly women and girls, by freeing them from the burden of fuel collection, giving them more opportunities to pursue education and contribute to their communities. But now the important question is, how do we make clean cooking techniques a reality? Well, the answer lies in a combination of education, investment, and policy support. While investment and policy support are driven by governments and policymakers, we should focus on simple steps we can take to help make clean cooking happen. Yes, You can help promote clean cooking by learning why it's important and sharing what you discover with your family through a fun poster or cool fact. Find out what dishes or meals are cooked using smoky fuel and suggest trying to cook them on a clean stove. Every dish that is cooked using clean fuel makes the air safer and cooler. Next, plant trees with friends to clean the air and reduce pollution. Or write letters to local leaders asking them to support clean cooking in your community. And if you want to do even more, consider raising money by hosting a bake sale or craft fair and find someone who can give a demonstration of how different dishes can be cooked cleanly. Remember, my friends, small steps like these can make a big difference. Trivia time! Did you know you are more exposed to particulate matter cooking an omelette in your kitchen than standing on a typical London roadside? Also, cooking with biomass for 4 hours is equivalent to inhaling 10 to 100 cigarettes in terms of carcinogens. Sketching time! Today's sketch of the day goes to Ira Abigail. Hope you learned something important today. Until next time, it's me, Dr. Binocs, zooming out. Kitty, why are you washing the wood with soap?
To practice clean cooking.
Never mind.